Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have a 2006 Case 445 CT with 1200 hours. This skid steer has 80 horsepower and a 2-speed hydrostatic transmission. The lifting arm is equipped with an 84-inch bucket and a new bolt-on edge. The tracks are rubber with 25% tread. The enclosed cab features heating and air conditioning. If you're interested in this Case 445 CT and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.